my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti. I make videos every Tuesday and every Saturday, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. Well, today's video, as promised, is my birthday gifts haul. और मेरे इतने सारे बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स हैं कि वो इस बड़ी सी डबल बैग के अंदर भी नहीं फिट हो रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी लंबी वीडियो होने वाली है बिकॉज इट वॉज माई 22nd birthday and I got 22 gifts from a lot of people who love me, and I am so thankful for each one of them. And this birthday was so special. I'm so happy. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and this is not a showing off video. I am not showing off what I got, but you guys can gain an idea with from this video of what you can gift your loved ones on their birthday or some special occasion, or you don't need a reason to gift people gift things to people whom you love. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. तो सबसे पहले से स्टार्ट करते हैं. I got this H&M का sweatshirt जो और जिसके पीछे लिखा है cry baby. So I won't deny and would readily accept that I am a crybaby, and I love this sweatshirt for a reason. It's super warm, it's H&M, it's so comfy and so soft, and I love this. I got this Blogger Who notebook, which is actually from Popixo, but I got this from Taman. She gave this to me. She knows I love stationery and I love notebooks, so addition. इसके बाद let's start with sweaters जो मुझे मिले. I got this उल्टा हो गया. I got this pink sweater जो कि अभी उल्टा है, नहीं सीधा है. I got this pink sweater, very large but fits so well. I love this. Also got this sweater. ये भी same fit है एकदम, but got this cute thingy on it, so love these. Next up, I got Manita Lepore ka handbag. It is not just a handbag, but it's so spacious. It has all the card ka compartments here and a small pocket here for lipsticks and lip balms and stuff, and it's so spacious. It has got your driver's license ka ye pocket also, या आधार कार्ड रखने के लिए छोटा pocket आगे. Then it has got this pocket here and another pocket here जिसके अंदर भी दो छोटा compartments हैं जो दिख नहीं रहे हैं आप लोगों को, शायद दिखेंगे भी नहीं, या दिख सकते हैं. दो छोटा compartments हैं यहाँ पे और एक zip है यहाँ पे. I mean, it's so spacious. I love this. Also, I love collecting earrings, and my friends know that very well. So I got these cute earrings. This is so cute. I got these cute earrings, and I got this cute gold anklet. Isn't it so pretty? So pretty. I love this. Okay, I got this dress from a brand called Hey. It has frill sleeve on one side and one cut sleeve here, and it's a very cute dress. Very cute dress. Next up, I got my favorite thing. My favorite thing. My sister gave this to me. This is the Alicia Souza planner. It is so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. एक second, कड़कड़ आवाज आ रही है. It comes with this box और इसको खोलो तो इसके अंदर आता है एक सुपर क्यूट 2020 का मिनी कैलेंडर, जिसके अंदर बेसिकली ऐसे है, और ये है मेरा 2020 प्लानर जिसको मैंने यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. इट हैज़ अ बुक मार्क इन द एंड विच यू कैन यूज़ फॉर योर जो भी मंथ यूज़ कर रहे हो उसके लिए बुक मार्क. इट ऑल्सो हैज़ एन एनवेलप इन द बैक, एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ पेन्स रखने का स्पेस. This is so cute, you guys. हर month के लिए there's this label हर month का, and it comes with monthly goals. It comes with to-do list का template. It also comes with a habit tracker, by the way, also a period tracker for girls. It comes with a meal plan. It also comes with a shopping list, a cleaning list, a tasks to-do list, and organize my mess list, which is amazing. I'm so excited to use this all this year, and I can't explain how pretty this is. So yay! Oh, oopsie, atak gaya. We're gonna put this in January. Close. I got a cover wala zipper. I think this is the coolest thing I've seen in a while. This is from Miniso. Is the zipper with a cover wala zipper. So cute. इसके ऊपर ये print है. This is from the Marvel collection from Miniso. Love this. Next up, I got this ivory tag का super glittery bag from Tamandeep Kaur Oberoi. It changes its color, by the way. हाँ, पूरा कलर चेंज हो जाता है, बट मैं अभी करना नहीं चाहती हूँ बिकॉज आई लाइक दिस कलर मोर. सो आइवरी टैग का ये बैग है और बहुत सॉफ्ट है यहाँ पीछे से, और आगे ऑब्वियसली सीक्वेंस है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ टोट, सो इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस on the inside. Next up, I got this cute dungaree dress from Amrit Malik. Amrit, if you're watching this, thank you. This is a dungaree dress. It is grey in color, very soft fabric, pocket in the front, 2 pockets in the back, here, 2 pockets in the back. And next up, I got 2 phone covers. One is this Good Vibes Only ka phone cover, which has this glitter falling down in it, and one is another one जिसका content बहुत ही नहीं बोलेंगे. Another thing that I got is this Archie's का calendar. This is the 2020 calendar, which also comes with stickers, by the way. These are the stickers जो इसके अंदर आते हैं, और ये बहुत ही लंबा है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ. इसके अंदर सब इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज मार्क्ड है, जैसे जनवरी का ये सब कुछ मार्क्ड है इसके अंदर, और ऊपर बहुत ही क्यूट कोड्स लिखे हुए हैं हर मंथ के लिए. सो आई थिंक इट्स रियली रियली क्यूट, एंड माई फ्रेंड अदिति gave it to me, so thank you Aditi. I got this notebook which is a handmade cover notebook के ऊपर, और ये है अंदर का नोटबुक. ये कवर अलग हो जाता है, यू कैन पुट इट ऑन एनी नोटबुक यू लाइक. और ये नोटबुक है, इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है आई एम अ डिटरमाइंड काइंड स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्फिडेंट मैग्नेटिक फियरलेस सोल, और ये रूल्ड है, रूल्ड, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट. लव दिस. नेक्स्ट अप, माई मॉम गिव मी दिस क्यूट आई ग्लासेस पाउच फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड वो. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला भी नहीं है. एक मिनट. बहुत ही क्यूट है, ऊपर ऐसे है, और ये पाउच है चश्मा रखने के लिए, बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत सनग्लासेस है, बहुत सारे. नेक्स्ट अप, आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. पीपल नो आई लव फ्रूट एंड नट, एंड सो आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ fruits and nuts वाली chocolates. Next up, I got a compact mirror which is very very cute. इसके ऊपर lemons बने हुए हैं. So cute. Another important gift that I got is this. These are the Noise AirPods. This is my favorite gift so far, after the planner of course. These are called Shots X Buds. These are the buds that I'm talking about. इस पे लिखा हुआ है Noise. ये डब्बे के अंदर. So delicate. They're so precious. See, look at them. These are so cute. ये light on हो गई. And you just have to charge this box and the AirPods are charged. This is so handy, so sleek, so cute. I love this color. My favorite gift. I love this. I got this cute cushion which is so soft. so much. So cute, so cute. My mom gave this to me and I love this already. Love it. Office colleagues threw me a small birthday party where they gave me gifts. I got this friends का mug. इसमें all of them know कितना crazy friends fan हूँ मैं, और मुझे ये मिला. इसके ऊपर सब friends references हैं. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. This comes in a box like this one. ऊपर लिखा हुआ है friends. So that's very useful gift. Very smart idea. I got friends का magnetic bookmarks. So magnetic bookmarks के अंदर क्या होता है कि ऐसे pages बीच में stuck करके you just have to clip this. और मेरे को ये 4 magnetic bookmarks मिले हैं जो सारे friends references हैं by the way. एक है जिसपे सब characters का नाम लिखा हुआ है. Joey, Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Ross and Chandler. Next is I'll be there for you. Next is we were on a break. Okay. And last but not the least is smelly cat, what are they feeding you? So yes, also I got a free bookmark with this one जिसमें लिखा हुआ है book lover और definition लिखा हुआ है person devoted to reading. Next up I got friends का cushion cover. This is called I'll be there for you. It's black, very cute, very soft. Love this. Also I got this friends का सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है notebook. It is a hard bound notebook which is also spiral bind. अब मैंने देखा नहीं है, ये ruled है. This should be ruled and I already love it. I don't even want to unpack it to love it more. Love it so much. I got this Ellen Solly का bag जो मैं बहुत ही ज़ोरों शोरों से यूज़ करने लगी हूँ. इसमें front pocket है और ये है, but इसके अंदर ये भी है. You just have to attach these from here and then you can make it a backpack. फिर इसके अंदर ये बड़ा सा चेन है जहाँ पे लैपटॉप के लिए स्पेस है यहाँ पे. Then बीच के अंदर there is also USB का space. पावर बैंक लगा के you can charge your USB. इधर से अपना USB पोर्ट बाहर निकाल सकते हो. Also there is keys का space अलग से. Then there is one छोटा pocket जिसके अंदर मैंने अपना सामान रख रखा है. So that this bag I got from Ellen Solly. My dad gave me this and I'm so happy. मेरे सारे gifts ख़त्म हो गए हैं, सारे 22 gifts, and I am so glad. I am so happy. I mean, this birthday was so special. I got so many gifts and my mom dad came over to surprise me to Delhi and it was so much fun. I threw a small birthday party with all my close friends and it was so much nice, so much fun. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys like this video. You can use this video, I'm repeating again, for gift ideas for anyone you love or like for their special occasion or without any special occasion. And let me know if you really like this video. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to like the video, comment down below if you want to wish me happy birthday, and share this video if you really like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button. You just have to press it so that you're notified every time I post an update. I will see you on Saturday with another #SelfCareSaturday video. Till then, keep loving yourself, guys. I will see you soon.